sort of finding the entry point for the use in real world data is, I think, really where we're at right now. And what I get excited about is when someone says, oh, well, that makes sense. That gives me value. And then the light bulb goes on as they use it and they say, oh, but if that works so good for recruitment, can I use it for identification? Can I use it for data linkage? And it's this kind of this evolving thought process. And I think that's really where we're at. And that's an exciting time, but there's so much more to be done. Let me just be clear.
You're right. I mean, I think people just need to think about the question they're trying to answer and, how data can inform that. And there's a lot of value to be created along the way because it's shocking if you compare to other industries how a lot of us do our work here so on data informed. And part of the problem is, to your point, is it's hard to figure out which data I need. It's not as simple. And I feel one event I think might push in the direction of the future I was talking about is I feel frustration from manufacturers who are, purchasing a lot of this stuff and really the backbone of some of the data economy, and just having so many diverse options to pick from. Like, they have a procurement problem, and how do they know what to buy, and did we buy the right thing? And I think they're looking for guidance on that. So I think their strategy work. I also think consolidating some of these elements and making it easier for them to consume is likely to happen, and that may drive some of the future state I'm talking about.